students. I am Zarinullah. We have taken the introduction lecture. Now today we are going to start the new chapter, that is study of components. In last 2 or 3 lectures we have introduced all components, all electronic components and their functions. Which are the basic components and what they work, what is their functions that we have seen. मागच्या 2-3 लेक्चर मध्ये आपण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट साठी जे लागणारे बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स आहेत त्या कंपोनेंट्स स्टडी केले, ते कंपोनेंट्सचे फंक्शन्स आपण बघितले. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द न्यू टॉपिक, दॅट इज स्टडी ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स. So first component, first and very basic component is that you know, yes, what is this? It is the resistor. Very basic of component is what? Resistor. So it resistor having symbol like this. This R. Okay, in the introduction part we have taken symbols and their names. So resistor is what? It's the symbol of resistor. And definition of resistor. What is definition? What is the function of resistor? What is the definition of resistor? Resistor is nothing but it opposes the flow of current, is called as a resistor. What is the definition of resistor? It opposes the flow of current. Yes, opposes the flow of current is called as resistor. Its definition is what? It opposes the flow of current is called as a resistor. Its unit is, you can measure the resistor in ohm, like this, ohm. Symbol or unit of this resistor is in ohm, and its power rating is in watt, and symbol for watt is W, and this is ohm. Okay, question may be asked like this: what is resistor and explain its power rating? Okay, so how is the question? What is resistor and explain its power rating? So first of all you have to draw the symbol of resistor like this. You have to write the R on the top of this. Then they have 2 terminals, A terminal and B terminal. Resistor have 2 terminals. Okay, so this is the symbol. Next you have to write the definition. Definition is what? Opposes of flow of current. It's called as the resistor. Its unit for resistor is ohm, and its power rating is in watt, or the symbol for it is W. Okay, this is the basic resistor. Now you know the resistor are of 2 types. It types is, how many types? 2 types. First is fixed resistor, and variable resistor. In the fixed resistor, it is again divided in 3 types. First is carbon composition resistor. Carbon composition resistor. wire wound resistor, wire wound resistor, and the third type is film type resistor, film type resistor. Okay, in only fixed resistor there are again three types of resistor. First resistor is carbon composition resistor, second is the wire bond resistor, and third is the film type resistor. That resistor we will see one by one. So first resistor is what? First we are going to see the wire wound resistor. Wire wound resistor. Which resistor it is? Wire wound resistor. Dear students, this subject is new for you. If you have electronics in 9th and 10th standard, then it will be this will be over there in 9th and 10th. If the student who have not electronics in 9th and 10th standard, then this part has completed in science 2, EVS 2. So all these things are in the physics also. So this is very easy concept. Resistor, capacitor, diode, all are the basic components of the circuit. So first of all you have to introduce these things, then you can use in the practical. Okay, so first you will see the theory of these components, then you will easy to use in the practicals. So this is very easy subject, don't take confusion. So this is the resistor. Resistor having symbol like this. It have definition is opposes the flow of current. Its unit is ohm. Its power rating is in W. And the types of resistor is, there are two types of resistor: fixed resistor and variable resistor. In fixed resistor, again there are three types of resistor: wire wound resistor, carbon composition resistor, and film type resistor. So what happens in wire wound resistor? In detail we will see all these three resistors. Okay, ये तीन resistor आपण बघणार आहे in detail. So first is wire wound resistor. Diagram for it is like this. There are how many terminals for resistor? There are two terminals or two leads. It is called leads or terminal. The wire is wound on the core. Yes, this is what? Core, C-O-R-E, core, and this is the wire. This wire may be of magnetite. Magnesium wire is there. So this wire is, if wire is wound means what? Gundane. If wire is wound on the insulating tube, is called as the wire wound resistor. Or if the wire, magnetic wire or copper wire, magnetic wire is wound on the insulating core, is called as the wire wound resistor. What's the definition of this wire wound resistor? Its definition is in the name only. Wire is wound. Which type of wire is wound? Magnetic wire is wound on the insulating core. Now what is insulating? Yes, insulator and conductor. Conductor means what? It's not a bus conductor. Then which conductor? Which allows to pass the current through it is called as the conductor. ज्याच्या थ्रू करंट पास होऊ शकतो त्याला So our wire is bound which material? On the insulator. Okay, so that there is a no question of electric shock. Therefore, magnetic wire is bound on the insulating copper core. Is called as the insulating core, not copper. Insulating core is called as the wire bound resistor. All of you understand what is wire bound resistor? When magnetic wire is bound on the insulating core is called as the wire bound resistor. Okay. So this wire bound resistor is, if it is these are of low resistance. This wire bound resistor is type of low resistance wire because it's have the high applications. Low resistance means its resistance is low, means it not opposes in a large amount to current to flow. That was the definition of resistor. It opposes the flow of current. So if low resistance is there, then it will less opposition to flow of the current. Therefore, its rating is from 500 watt to 100 watt. Its rating, power rating of this what? Power rating of carbon composition resistor is 5 watt to 100 watt. This is what power rating of wire bound resistor. Okay, all of you understand this? Up till this you understand what is the resistor, what's its unit, SI unit, what is its definition, symbol of the resistor. So this is the symbol of resistor, this is the definition of resistor, unit of resistor, in which unit you measure the resistor. Resistor can be measured in ohm, means it is 1 kilo ohm, 5 ohm, 3 ohm, 7 ohm. So just like that, voltage and current have its unit. Okay, you know the voltage unit is, yes, what is the unit for voltage? It is volt. 3 volt, 2 volt, 1 volt, 5 volt, 7 volt. Like this you tell the voltage. Similarly, what is the unit of current? It is the ampere. 1 ampere, 3 ampere, 5 ampere, 7 ampere. You measure the current in ampere. Similarly, you can measure the resistance in ohm. Okay. So, 1 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 ohm, 7 ohm, like this. And its watt is how many watt of bulb you use. Okay, wattage. So, its watt is measured in W. Okay, so this carbon composition resistor have the rating is 5 watt to 100 watt. Okay, this is carbon composition resistor. Symbol of it looks like this. These are the leads. These two are the leads. Another diagram of carbon composition resistor symbol. Okay. So this finishes your wire bound resistor. Next is what? Carbon composition resistor. Carbon composition resistor. Carbon composition resistor. We'll draw the diagram for that. is what? Two leads are there. These are what? Leads that we have taken here. It's the terminals. Leads means what? It is the terminal. This is what? This is the case or insulating core. You can write it here the core. And this is what? Carbon composition material. Carbon composition material. These are what? Leads. There are two terminals for the for resistor. Therefore, it is what? Two leads are there. Carbon composition material is there and core is there. Now you tell me the definition. The definition is in its name only. Wire wound resistor means wire was found on the insulating material. Now second type is what? Carbon composition resistor means what? Yes, carbon granules are there in the insulating material. Carbon granules are insulated in the insulating material is called as the carbon composition resistor. All of you understand? What is that? Carbon granules are there. Here wire was there, that is wound. But here not wire is used, but what is used? Carbon granules are used. Yes, carbon granules are used in the insulating material is called as the carbon composition resistor. Okay, so this carbon composition resistor can be drawn like this. It has 1, 2, 3 bands. These are the two leads. This is the first, this is the second band, and this is the third band. Band means what? It has the color band. It has different colors. From that color you can measure the value of this resistor. So lastly it is, there is a gold or silver band which indicates your plus minus weightage. Plus 5%, minus 5%, plus 10%, minus 10%. If it is silver band is there, then it is the minus plus 10% tolerance. It is the tolerance band. You can write here the tolerance band. Okay, so its value is not exact fixed. Its value is depend on its band. Which color of band you have taken, you can calculate the value of that. We have to see in the next period, or next of this is the color band of the resistor. There is a colors are there and values are given. According to that we have to calculate the value of resistor on the color of the band. So if it is red, black, brown, so how much is the value for red, how much is the value for black, how much is the value for brown. According to that you have to take the value and you have to multiply. The third multiplier. And third is what? Not color band, it is the multiplier. That you will see in the next. After this film type resistor, we will see the color band of resistor. This is the symbol only. You keep in mind that carbon composition resistor, its definition and its symbols and its weightage. These 3 or 4 things only you have to write. Yes, what is resistor? Its definition, its unit is in the introduction of resistor. Then there are types. There are two types of resistor: fixed resistor and variable resistor. In fixed resistor, again there are 3 types of resistor: carbon composition resistor, wire bound resistor, and film type resistor. Like this, you have to write one by one. wire bond resistor. Its weightage is 5 watt to 100 watt. This much only you have to remember in the wire bond resistor. In carbon composition resistor, what you have to remember? Instead of magnet wire, only carbon compositions are used. Okay. Instead of this wire चे जी फक्त इथे कार्बनचे ग्रॅन्युअल्स यूज केलेले आहेत त्याला म्हणायचं आहे कार्बन कंपोजिशन रेझिस्टर. ओके. सो ओनली कार्बन कंपोजिशन्स आर यूज्ड instead of wire in the insulating core. It's called as the carbon composition resistor. Okay. So its weightage or rating is what? It's 1 watt to 2 watt, and its value depend on the color code. Its value is not fixed. Okay. So next is what? Number 3 is film type resistor. All of you understand this? Carbon composition resistor. Now third we will see is what? Film type resistor. Film type resistor. Now wire bond resistor, you have seen the wire. Okay. Wire is used in the wire bond resistor. In carbon composition resistor, carbon granules are used. Now in the film type resistor, there are 2 types. Again in the film type resistor, carbon and metal film. Is again divided into carbon film resistor and metal film resistor. Yes, again it is of 2 types, that is carbon film resistor and metal film resistor. You will prepare the definition now. What will be the carbon film resistor? Yes, coating is of what? Carbon. Carbon film resistor means what? A film of carbon is used there. Film means what? It's not picture that we see in the TV. It's not film. Then what is the film? Yes, it is a like IC. What is IC? I have given the introduction of all these components. Okay, IC means what? Integrated circuit. What is there in the integrated circuit? All components are mounted and it is merged into small chip. It's called as the IC. It's called as the integrated circuit. If I have given the example of motherboard, which is used in CPU, that is central processing unit. In microprocessor, CPU is there. In this CPU, motherboard is there. On that motherboard, many number of components are mounted. So that components is mounted on the motherboard having the it require very large area, and in the IC very small area, in the very small scale. In the small area they have insert so many components. It looks like 2 or 3 inch only. Okay, in the integrated circuit. Just like that films, carbon films are there. That films are used in the resistor. It's called as the carbon film resistor. Okay, its coating on insulating material. Carbon coating is used in insulating core. It's called as the carbon film resistor. Okay, next is what? Metal film resistor. Here which thing is used? Here carbon is used, and now here it is metal is used. Metal is what? It is conductive or insulating ceramic core is used. Which type of metal? Ceramic metal is used in this type of resistor. So it is called as the metal type resistor. We will draw the diagram for it. Two leads are there. These are what? Two leads. This is what? Ceramic material. Ceramic core, and this is what? Insulating core. Insulating core. Ceramic material is inserted in the insulating core so that there is no question of shock, electric shock. शॉक लागत नाही. therefore insulating material मध्ये काय इन्सर्ट केलेले आहे? ceramic core इन्सर्ट केलेले आहे. that ceramic core is nothing but the metal. therefore it is called metal type resistor. okay, so metal is used in the metal type resistor म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणायचं? metal type metal film resistor is म्हणायचा. आणि कार्बन film resistor मध्ये कार्बन इज यूज्ड. कार्बनचे फिल्म तयार केलेले असतात, अशा शीट्स तयार केलेले असतात. ते कार्बनचे शीट्स त्याच्यात इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियलमध्ये यूज करतात. त्याला म्हणायचं कार्बन फिल्म रेजिस्टर. अँड मेटलचे फिल्म यूज केलेले असतात. ते मेटलचे फिल्मचे एक्झाम्पल सांगितले त्याच्यात ते सिरामिक कोर. सिरामिक मटेरियल असतो, तो मेटल असतो, तो मेटल यूज केलेला असतो ह्याच्यात रेजिस्टरमध्ये. त्या रेजिस्टरला म्हणायचं आपण हे मेटल फिल्म रेजिस्टर. If carbon is used, it is called the carbon film resistor. It is very simple concept, very easy to remember and to write also. Okay, electronics हा एकदम सोपा सब्जेक्ट आहे, स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट आहे. तुम्हाला सांगितले आधी पण त्याचे फायदे काय काय आहेत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सब्जेक्टचे. You have very brilliant students. You have scored so many marks. You have scored good marks in SSC examination. Therefore you have chosen the electronic subject, and electronics you will score maximum marks so that you will get admission for engineering after passing the 12th standard. So see what is there in the study of components. First point is our resistor. So resistor is of, yes, two types, fixed resistor and variable resistor. What is the definition of resistor? Resistor is opposes the flow of current. It's the definition of the resistor. It is measured in ohm and its wattage is calculated in W, symbol W. Then two types of fixed resistor and variable resistor. Again in the fixed type resistor there are three types of resistor. Yes, which type of resistor is wire bond resistor, carbon composition resistor and film type resistor. The three types of resistor that we have seen with its symbolic diagram. All of you understand this? We will go one by one. Okay, एकदम मी इतकं जास्त तुम्हाला घेणार नाही की ते तुमचं लक्षात येणार नाही. इझी कन्सेप्ट पहिल्यांदा मी घेणार आहे. सो देर आर so many chapters in the paper 1. There are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. I have told you in the introduction lecture. From paper 1, paper 2, there are four lectures are there, topics are there, total 8 topics there. From that we will take the easy chapters so that you will easy to understand the starting. Okay, जसं आपण स्टार्टिंगला पहिल्यांदा सायकल शिकतो, मग नंतर गाडी शिकतो, मग नंतर 4 व्हीलर शिकतो. लाईक दॅट फर्स्ट विल see the basic components and will study about that components so that it will easy to understand the electronic concept. Okay, all of you understand this?